Okay, now let us move into another question. So in this video, we are going to see on how to answer the question that asks you to convert the given polar coordinates into Cartesian coordinates. So here we already know that the value of your polar coordinates is given by the system of r and theta. We are going to change it into our Cartesian coordinate, which is x and y. So we are going to actually try to find the value of r theta given. We want to change it into the same thing, but in terms of x and y system. Okay, here we are going to use the relation that we learned in our very first video, where you have the value for formula there. Let me write it again. The first formula that we have is x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. What else do we have? We have the theta is equals to the tangent inverse of y over x. Y over x. And we have the value of r can be obtained by using the square root of x squared plus with y squared. This is the formula that we already derived in a first video. So here we are going to use it again in our calculation. So in order for us to convert from the polar to Cartesian, basically we are going to use the first two formula here, which is r cos theta and r sin theta, because we already know the value of r here is equals to 2, and the value of pi over 3 here is the value of your theta. So theta now is pi over 3. So we want to convert everything in terms of y and x here. Y and x here. So in order for you to obtain the value of x, formula is given by r cos theta. Just plug in the value. So x will be equals to 2 cos pi over 3. And the value of y can be obtained by using a formula of r sin theta. So the value of your y here is equals to 2 sin pi over 3. So you can press your calculator to get the value of pi, what is cos pi over 3 and sin pi over 3. But please be careful. If your calculator in a degree mode, you need to change the value of pi here to 180. So usually your calculator will be in a degree mode, so you are going to get here 2 cos 180 divided by 3, which is will be x equals to 2 cos 60 degree. And here we can see that this is y 2 sin 60 degree. So let us look into the final answer. So by using your calculator, you can see that cos 60 degree is equals to 1 over 2. So you can cancel the value of 2 and 2 here, so you get 1. Sin 60 degree will be 3 over 2. So please make sure you use a fraction for it. Don't change into decimal, so you can cancel the value of 2 and 2 there. Therefore, you get y equals to 3. So here we can make a conclusion. The value of 2 pi over 3 is now equals to 1 and set 3. So this is in form of r theta. You can convert it into another system, which is x and y. Okay, so here let's say I give you another question. You get here question B. What happens if we have negative 3 and 2 pi over 3? Can you try to convert it into x and y? Okay, you can use the similar formula. So try to do it, and if you still encounter any problem regarding this, you can try to contact me via Telegram. Okay, see you in the next video.